the British singer celebrated her birthday with a hilarious clip of her falling into a chilly lake on a sunny day. Happy belated birthday to Jessie J. The singer showed that she was falling into 34 years with a hilarious video on her Instagram on Sunday, March 27. In the clip, Jessie was enjoying a sunny day in the park with some friends, as she relaxed on a dock, but she slid a little too close to the edge, and ended up sliding into the ice water. Even though it was a sunny day, it was definitely a lot colder than she expected. The singer relaxed on the dock in a white crop top and bright blue bikini bottoms, as well as a pair of black shoes, before she slid in. Based on her reaction, the water probably wasn't anywhere near a temperature that you'd want to swim in. The Big Bang singer jumped around in the pond before pulling herself out and wrapping herself in a towel. Even though she was freezing, her loved ones definitely thought the whole ordeal was hilarious, and they laughed along with her. Even though the video was silly, Jessie did have an inspiring message in the caption, hoping to make 34 her best year yet. 33 wasn't my favorite, but man did it teach me so much. Perspective was the biggest gift for me this year, she wrote in the caption. To live harder through the pain. To laugh louder through the grief. To let go and simply be my awkward, sarcastic, honest, goofball, cooking, singing loud-ass self. To love and to live. Related gallery. Celebrities wearing bikinis, see pics of Delilah Hamelin, Hailey Baldwin and more. Jessie has been open about some of things that made 33 such a hard year for. She suffered a miscarriage in November 2021, and she opened up about what a difficult experience it was in an Instagram post 2 weeks after the fact. I just needed to f***ing cry and fall into someone's arms and sob, she wrote at the time. In her message about her birthday, she also included a message about Mother's Day, which was also on Sunday in the UK. Happy Mother's Day to anyone grieving or celebrating today. Whatever you are feeling, experiencing, my love is with you, she wrote.